a lot of us are very, very busy. You wake up in the morning and you go, oh, I'd love to eat good, but I'm late for work and I don't have time to make breakfast. And so you run out with a donut. So I want to show you how easy it is to have some scrambled eggs in the morning. This is a microwavable pot made by Pampered Chef. No endorsement, but we like them.
We use them a lot for everything.
We bought every single one we have at a thrift store.
Yes.
But you can use any microwavable pot that you have. So I'm going to throw these in.
And I've had them for years, and they look like they have not suffered anything by being microwaved.
I'm going to put in a little half and half. That just makes them a little fluffier. And then you can throw in what else you want. I like a little cheese. And I'm going to put in a little bit of ham.
We diced up a ham this morning, so we could have ham and beans and ham in our eggs and ham steaks.
Seasoning, I use a fajita seasoning, but salt and pepper, whatever you like. Mix it up. That's it. Throw the top on it into the microwave. I'm going to put this for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Alright, that's it. I know what you're thinking. Nothing good comes out of the microwave. But look at this. They're light, they're fluffy, and yes, they are delicious.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
So, don't say to yourself, I don't have time to have a good breakfast in the morning. You got time to make that. 2 minutes. And they are mostly protein, which means you're not going to get hungry at 10 o'clock and can't wait for lunch. It's going to carry you through all the way to lunch, and you'll probably even have a smaller lunch. So, there you go. There's your healthy tip for the day.